Day has finally come. I'm stoked. Watch this. You're gonna shit yourself. All right. Here goes. Here goes. You ready, Ali? Oh. Way over. Hopefully she doesn't hit a bloody wombat hole. It's working. Oh, I can't believe it. She's stuck in the rushes. Fuck. I think she got stuck in the rushes. I'll better go help her. Take note. She gets stuck in the rushes. All right, we'll go paddocks with no rushes. Go on, get over. Over. Got Rex in the back. He's going mad because he's not. Oh, she's over. She's over. After some adjustments, shorten the wheels. Let's go. There's the sheep. Let's go. You ready, Ali? Oh, ready, ready. Ali, way behind. Go behind. Go on. Go.